Hi there, extras.
I'm Josh.
I'm Jason.
And this is JJ Extra.
And we are at Blizzard Beach Water Park.
Finally. I need a chilled day. Well, chilled morning / late afternoon.
His hips hurting, his legs are hurting, his back's hurting. He's such an old man, bless him. He's only 28.
I know. But all this walking, my body's not actually used to this kind of walking.
His body's not used to moving.
No. But the weather's hot,
it
beautiful. This was shut the other day because it was actually really cold.
Yeah.
But now it's like pushing 30 degrees, so...
We're going in and we're going to swim.
We're going to swim, sit in the lazy pool.
Do you mind?
Gonna go down.
Excuse me, do you mind?
We're going to go down. We're going to go down Summit Plummet.
You're going to go down Summit Plummet.
We'll see. Go then.
Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Be with you.
Changed? Well, shorts changed. You know what I mean. Well, you're not.
I was clever. I put my swim shorts on under my actual shorts.
I didn't.
I did.
Fine. We're gonna... Sure. We're gonna go find somewhere to sit now. I think.
That's a good idea.
I don't know where you want to sit though. Where would you want to sit?
On my bum.
Oh, no shit, Charlotte. Would you want to find somewhere over there? I don't really know.
Somewhere relaxing, somewhere peaceful. Let's
There's some places around here.
Let's walk further this way.
Around here?
Yeah.
Well, yeah, because they're in restaurants.
We're in no rush.
We're in no rush. I mean, I'm not. I'm ready to chill-ish. Yeah. And I'm going to take you on Summit Plummet. Is it called Summit Plummet? I don't think it's called Summit Plummet, actually. What's it called?
Summit Plummet.
Is it?
Let's go have one of them.
Yeah, sure.
So we've picked our spot.
We have.
Under the shade.
Under the shade.
Where we can still move into the sun. And we're just on this pathway here. You've got Summit Plummet over there. Lazy River behind us. It is called Summit Plummet.
Oh, okay.
Do you not believe me? You know I'm always right.
Are you though? Let's not get into that conversation.
Sure. Lazy River's there, which is looking very appealing.
Very appealing first. Cream me up, baby.
Cream up. Always wear protection, kids. Make sure you do behind your ears, top of your ears, round the back of your neck. You haven't rubbed it in on your nose.
I know.
Good. Smother it on.
Smother it on.
It's like basting a turkey.
Why do we keep singing Davy Crockett?
I don't know.
I don't understand why we
I've
keep
been singing it
it
ever since we went to the Country Bear Jamboree the other day.
Well, you got a bug on your nose. Oh, still there.
Don't get out of it! He's telling you not to get out of it!
Fucking hell, what is wrong with people?
They don't listen.
Why would you get out of the tube when you're like on the ride?
Honestly, people. What did Captain Kirk say when he came to the water park in Florida?
Don't know.
Cream me up, Scotty.
Oh, wow. Your jokes are getting... Oh, I was about to literally wipe that in. Crazy. Anyway, ooh, I'm really dark. Where are we?
I mean, you haven't got that much of a tan.
No, I meant like I couldn't see myself. That's better. Anyway, we're going to cream ourselves up. We're going to have a little scoot around the park, see what's around.
I haven't been here for ages.
No.
Either of us.
What? I've been here 2 years ago, I think it was.
Oh, it's been a lot longer for that.
Oh.
Than me, because every time I come it's always Typhoon Lagoon that's open and this one is shut.
Yeah.
So I can't remember the way around at all.
No. But I definitely want to go on that ski lift thing because that is always shut when we're here, but it's actually open today, so I really want to go on that. We need to rent some towels because we didn't bring towels to try and keep the weight on our suitcases down.
And they're only $2 to rent, so
Which is good.
even if we get one between us, like.
Oh yeah. We'll have to shower together though.
I can see it. That's a whole nother video. Fans only.
Yeah, I don't care.
So we've just had a walk around to get our bearings. And we're now going to put the camera away and switch to the GoPro.
Yeah, so if
And,
the quality's not as good, we do apologise.
Yes, we will try to shout so you can hear us.
Well, I'll take my better GoPro. We have a cheaper one and a better one.
Good idea.
I'll take the better one.
And then we're going to go and hit the ski chairlift thingy while we're all nice and dry.
Yeah, I haven't been on there since I wasn't scared of heights last time I went on there, so.
He hasn't been there since he fell off last time. Oh, you weren't scared of heights last time? It's something you've developed as you got older?
Yeah.
Oh, well,
I never
this should warm you up for the start flight.
Great. Yeah, I forgot about that actually.
Right, so we're going to go and do the chairlift thingy and then we're going to hit the lazy river.
Oh, can't wait.
Oh, actually, we need to cream the rest of our bodies first.
Yeah, we'll do that now.
Ooh! Breakfast is coming back. Oh.
Well, we'll see you on the things.
Yeah.
That's better. Right, you ready to go on the thing of the thing, chairlift?
Yeah, got my titties out, ready for them to wobble.
Get your titties out, titties out, titties out. Oh God, we're up high.
We have, I've got my skis on.
Oh yeah, little skis, look at them. Ah.
Not so sure.
No.
Oh dear. Where do you think you're going to go? You've got that bar?
Wow, I was sitting in the wrong bit a minute ago.
You were. You sat in the middle.
I was sat here.
And she told you to sit on the edge.
Flick, flick. Oh, he's got food.
He has got food. What is that? Like, it looks like crepes or something.
It looks like a death cake.
Oh yeah, funnel cake.
I don't like the fact there's that little tiny bit holding us up.
I mean, there's quite a lot holding us up. Like, look at the thickness of that cable.
No, I'm more thinking about the thin piece of metal that's holding us up there. Like,
what?
Attached to the metal wire.
Oh, that's fine.
We're almost at the top.
We are.
Well, at least we can walk down rather than walk up. I don't know if you can actually see that. You can actually see Epcot,
Spaceship Earth.
Spaceship Earth. You can see, what's it called?
That's the Swan and Dolphin Hotel.
Swan and Dolphin.
You've got the
Tower of Terror.
You've got Disney Springs
Disney
with the balloon.
Springs with the balloon. Wow. Cool. Now I've got to walk all the way down this.
Oh, you've made me come all the way to the top of the thing.
Stop
on the
moaning.
chairlift to walk all the way down.
Stop moaning, stop moaning.
Best ride of the day, down the stairs.
Yes. But now I'm thinking a bit of Lazy River.
Oh, I'm thinking a lot of Lazy River.
Yeah.
Lazy is definitely the theme of the morning.
Yeah. Agreed. Oh God. It's good views though, good views.
We need a bit of a rest after the last few hectic days.
Yep, I
Especially
agree.
with your hip, you poor old thing. This is the life.
Yeah, it's the life.
Apart from I've got your manky feet on me. I smell them from here, I don't need to get any closer.
Without a steering wheel, I'm not.
This is the life. Just chilling. Jason's massaging my feet.
Huh?
I said you're massaging my feet.
I'm not. I'm just using them as a rest.
Wow. It's better than nothing, I guess. There's loads of rubber rings here.
There is, we should have come out.
Should have come here. There's plenty. We'll have to remember that. Yeah. Holding on, Rose.
Like Jack, you mean?
Yeah, I'm holding on Rose.
Oh, you're holding on to Rose?
Yeah,
You've decided to get out because your poor old man back's hurting.
Well, it's like not that comfy, actually.
I mean, I'm comfy.
No, you're Jason.
Oh, you're funny.
Nanny, yeah. This is actually quite comfy, just chilling under here.
Good
That way
for
I'm
you.
not getting sunburn.
I am. Can't relate.
No.
Hope that sun cream was waterproof.
I don't know.
Oh, great. I'm going to burn to a crisp.
Well, it was only factor 6 anyway. Didn't realise we bought it.
After this, I need to go in and never come back out in the sun again.
Oh my god. Bids.
You're going to get crushed by the wall.
There's things that will get you wet.
What?
Nothing.
Don't you dare. Look, I helped you avoid the other ones.
I know you did. Mainly because I'm wearing my hat.
If I go under it, you're going under it as well.
No.
Yeah.
You just want to be a little bit deeper for talking for an hour.
Please steer me away. Oh, there's a leaf on my foot. Oh, it's cold. I can feel it splashing. Oh, I just got a jet up the bum. The good thing is, because I'm sat in that, nobody can see that jet's just exposed my butt crack. There's a wall. There's a wall.
Are you joking?
There's a massive great island in the middle of the thing.
It was like, there's a wall. I was like, what? Whoa!
You fool.
Did you tell them what I did this morning?
What?
At breakfast.
What did you do at breakfast? Oh, so yes, we went to Ponderosa for breakfast. I ordered a coffee. Josh ordered a diet coffee.
I was tired.
What did you mean?
Coffee.
A decaf. He wanted a decaf and he ordered a diet coffee.
I was tired.
Silly boy.
Well, she was like, a diet coke. I was like, no, coffee. She was like, what? What? What is this British man saying? Are you nice and chilled, babe? Yeah?
I sure am.
Good. Getting a bit far away from you. Come back here. Oh. Eesh. Here he is. Hi.
Got ya.
How are ya?
I'm fabulous.
Fabulous, baby.
Fabulous.
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 Anything else?
Fabulous.
I was just saying I really fancy an iced Joffrey's.
Oh yeah. I think we'll do a full loop of this, then we go and get one and we'll go sit down for a bit and chill.
Yeah. I love the sound of that.
Mm-hmm.
And it better not be like 3 o'clock in the afternoon.
My
by
butt
the time
crack's
we
really on show. If there's any fish in this, they're going to see everything. One of them might even swim in there like a cave.
Oh, a cave. Woo, stinks in here.
Cheek!
Red wine. Don't let me be alone. Why you look at me crazy? I do. Oh no.
Why are we going under the dripping socks?
Why are we going under the dripping socks? He's got the sneezes.
No.
I have a feeling I'm going to get wet.
I also have a feeling that's going to be cold.
Yeah? I'm all for getting wet, but I'm not for getting cold wet. Yeah.
Oh, I got a cold in my nose.
Oh, that's freezing!
How cold?
Jesus!
That's cold! No! Do you like that one bit?
That is freezing.
No! Right, that side. Let's go that side. Go that side. Grab the wall.
There's not really anywhere to go.
No, it's because I'm here. Pull yourself that way.
I can't pull myself that way.
Yes, you can. Pull yourself that way. You're not even trying. Try.
I'm trying.
That's womanly trying.
Right, so we're entering the wave pool. The water. Joining the water.
Did you say there was sun cream, did you say?
So I'm sure somebody just said there was a sun cream dispenser.
Well,
And I wonder if it's, you know when we walked in and it said SPF 30, I wonder if there's a dispenser there.
I think when we get out here we should walk around and have a look. If that's the case, we'll put those on.
Yeah, because we've only got factor 6 on. and
Factor
I'm
6 is not
become
good.
Like Sebastian the lobster.
Yeah.
He's a crab. But it's
And I'd
fine.
rather you
You don't want a
keep
crab.
your skin good. No.
You don't want crabs.
Well, I can't
Oh, this
because
is so warm.
it is.
like
It's really
bath
warm.
water.
This is lovely.
Why do they close this when it's cold?
Oh.
This is the place you want to be.
Perfect. It feels like thousands of people have just had a piss in the water.
Oh, true though, yeah, true. Thanks. What sort of tart comes in the swimming pool to wash their hair, eh?
Well, you know. Right, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Like a scene from Baywatch.
So that's us done on the lazy river.
It was very lazy.
It's very lazy.
chill.
Yeah, but I didn't realise how actually big it was. So,
Heard that before.
not from you. Oh wait, that backfired.
I did.
How big the lazy river was, it was huge. So, it hurt my leg. Because I'm old.
You wanted a lazy morning because you're aching, and then halfway around the lazy river where we're literally just laying there chilling, he's moaning that it's too relaxed.
Whatever. Anyway, we're going to go get Joffrey, so we'll see you in a minute.
Happy now?
I am indeed.
What have you got? A diet coffee.
Yeah, we'll go with that.
A diet iced coffee.
I've run out of ice, I didn't put enough ice in it. I like when it's all jingling and jangling.
I've got my shaken Jamaican cold brew again.
I need to try that.
You do? I think you'll like it one of these days. You put a bit more cream in it.
Oh, it's really strong smelling. Oh, that tastes so much better.
See, I liked yesterday's because it had less cream, but then I like black coffee, so.
I would have told her to put like, you put cream in yours yesterday.
Huh?
Did you put your cream in yours yesterday?
She did,
Oh,
but only a little bit.
I would put more in. There's no ice in this whatsoever now.
Sun behind you.
Huh?
Sun behind you.
That's true.
Oh, they're melting.
They've been mounting for many, many, many years, yet they've not melted enough.
I guess some things are worth melting for though, right? Poor little button though, look.
Oh, babe, you really need some cream on your face.
What?
I think Jason needs a bit of cream on his face.
Whoa.
I'm not even joking, we need to get you to a mirror. It's really bad.
So that's going to do it from us at Blizzard Beach. We are heading out of here.
It's been a beautiful chilled morning.
It has.
Slash afternoon, I think.
Well, yeah, it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon, so
It
we've
is.
been here, what, 4 hours?
What time did we get here? I
About
can't
11ish, I
remember.
think.
11, 12, 1, 2.
Yeah, 4 hours.
Yeah,
or
about
so.
4 hours.
You'll be glad to know I've creamed myself.
And it wasn't by my cream.
No, I'm looking a lot more glam and a lot less crusty.
Glam. I must say, I feel like much more fresher. We just had a shower.
Yeah.
So nice.
It was only $2 to rent a towel. I was really impressed with that.
Yeah, and we shared one because we're stingy.
Well, no, there's no point in paying $4 for 2 towels when you can just share one, is
when
there?
you can share one, there's
Yeah.
no point.
The other $2 can go towards another Joffrey's.
Joffrey's? Yeah, I want a better one because that one wasn't the best Joffrey's. I was quite disappointed in that.
They can't all
Joffrey's.
be the best though.
No. But the one at like Epcot last night made such a good one. They had loads of ice in it. Like he put like 3 pieces of ice in that one,
Yeah.
and it was just all melted in it. It didn't have the effect.
No effect.
Do you know what I mean?
Oh well, never mind. We're onwards now to Hollywood Studios, so I'm sure we'll have plenty of treats and stuff there
Yeah, because
to
I'm
make up for it.
actually pretty hungry. But we do have a fast pass for
Tower of Terror.
Tower of Terror first. So if we
make
get
it.
there on time, we will have a snack after.
Because we've now got to get a bus to a resort and then a boat or something from the resort over blah de blah de blah.
But
Blah de
you'll
blah.
see that all in another video because
You
this
will
one
indeed.
is separate.
Indeed.
Yeah.
Ah, thanks. That was getting
Sorry.
heavy.
I could tell your arm was
Oh.
aching, so I'll take it for you.
Yeah, that right hand don't get as much practice as it used to.
No, that's what I'm here for now, babe.
Anyway, we hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you have and you're not already, don't forget to subscribe down below and hit that notification bell to be notified every time we upload a new video.
Also, leave us a comment down below. Have you been to Have you been to Blizzard Beach? What's your favourite slide? And
Not that we've done any.
No, we didn't do any. We just literally chilled, went in a laser pool, drank Joffrey's, went in a wave pool actually, didn't we?
Yeah, we did. Yeah.
Also, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. That's the one. That's the one. Right, so until next time.
Bye, Felicia.
Bye, Felicia.
Let me be that someone who can hold your